guys, this is Malinki. Welcome back to my channel, Voice of Malinki. Today we will talk about Crypsis. This is an ethology lecture, and if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel, and if you like my video, please do like, comment and share my video. So Crypsis is the ability of an animal to avoid detection by other animals. It may be a predation strategy or an anti-predator adaptation. That means some animals do Crypsis so that their prey cannot understand their presence. And some animals do this to survive from predators. There are different methods of Crypsis, such as visual Crypsis, olfactory Crypsis, auditory Crypsis. So we will talk about them one by one. First is visual Crypsis. Visual Crypsis includes camouflage, nocturnality, etc. Camouflage is the use of any combination of materials or coloration for concealment, either by making animals hard to see or by disguising them as something else. For example, some animals such as the tawny dragon lizard may resemble rocks, sand, twigs and leaves. And you cannot detect these lizards easily. In some cases, animals have darker shade on the dorsal side and lighter on the ventral side of the body. This is to neutralize the sunlight falling from above, which lightens the upper side of the body, while the shade below darkens the color. It helps animals erase their own shadows or blend into different backgrounds. This is called countershading. This pattern is found in many species of mammals. Disruptive coloration is when an animal has a patterned coloration like spots or stripes that make it hard to determine its outline. A white-tailed deer fawn has white spots that can look like sunlight filtering through the trees and helps blur its outline, protecting it from predators. Some animals resemble their habitat not only in color but also in structure. Caterpillars of the family Geometridae resemble the twig of the plant on which they feed in color as well as shape. Pretending death is sometimes adapted to distract the attention of predator. Many beetles lie like pebbles and remain motionless to escape attention of the predator. Some butterflies such as Melanites expose bright colors on wings when they suddenly fly, which temporarily frightens the predator and gives them time to escape. This is called diamantism. Some animals have bright colors on the body to advertise their presence so that the predators are warned not to attack them. For example, some butterflies such as Danaos are brightly colored and are carefully avoided by the birds. This is called aposematism. Some animals have cryptic organs to misdirect attack. Swallowtail butterflies have long brightly colored tail while the rest of the body is dull colored. When the predators attack, they tend to catch the brightly colored tail while the vital parts of the body escape damage. Nocturnality is an animal behavior characterized by being active during the night and sleeping during the day. Nocturnal creatures generally have highly developed senses of hearing, smell, and specially adapted eyesight. For example, Some owls have large eyes in comparison with their body size to compensate for the lower light levels at night. Olfactory crypsis. Some animals in both terrestrial and aquatic environments appear to camouflage their odor, which might otherwise attract predators. Caterpillars of the butterflies Biston robustum have been shown to chemically match their own scent to the vegetation they feed and live on to avoid predatory ants. Auditory crypsis. Some insects such as tiger moths defend themselves against predation by echolocating bats, by absorbing sound with soft fur-like body coverings. So actually these moths are able to echolocate bats. Yeah, they are actually foods of bats. And they can understand the presence of bats by absorbing sound. So what happens in echolocation? One produces a sound and listens to echoes as the sound waves reflect off different objects in the environment. So if a large object is there, echo will happen, and that can be felt by the moths since they can absorb the sound with their bodies. So this is all about today's lecture. I hope you liked the lecture. If you want to get the PDF notes of this topic, please find the first pinned comment on the description box. Thank you.